Abbott Darcy Together at Christmas is a double O-gauge micro layout constructed on freestanding bookshelves. The idea behind the layout is that each section can be stored away on a bookcase when not in use. The layout is set during the present day and depicts a small heritage line who are holding their first Santa special event. On the layout are a number of modified laser cut buildings and 3D printed products from a variety of different traders. These include a high number of 3D printed figures covering all age groups, ethnicities and some disabilities. When constructing this layout, I have aimed to depict an accurate recreation of what you might see at such a small heritage line during such an event, including the cold and miserable weather of an early December. Each building on the layout includes a detailed interior, which also includes a Santa's grotto in what is normally the station's waiting room and cafe.